Hello everyone, welcome all. In this video, we will learn foundation design of tall building. As in the earlier video, we have designed 23-story building. So by using their result, we have to design footing for that building. First of all, we have to do some calculation which are required further. So first step is to calculate subgrade modulus. Subgrade modulus is given by SDC upon allowable settlement. In this problem, SDC is 300 kN per meter square and allowable settlement is 1 centimeter. So that is 3 into 10 power 4 kN per meter cube. Next step is to design strip, that is to calculate the strip width. Strip width is given by 0.25 L1 or L2. In our problem statement, L1 and L2 is 18. So that strip width is 4.5 meter. We can take 4 meter also. So these are the column details which are obtained from ETABS result that we done earlier video. Also they have given mat type of foundation. So in the mat type of foundation we consider 2 meter allowance in each direction. So total length and width of foundation is 22 meter. So let us start. Open the SAP 2016. Click on File, click on New Model, set the appropriate design IS code. In the design preferences, give 50 mm clear cover for top and bottom and 22 mm bar size. Select grid only option. Click on OK. As our footing size is 18 meter by 18 meter, so we have to construct 19 grid lines of 1 meter each spacing. As in the problem statement, they have mentioned concrete grade of M40 and rebar of HYSD 500. So we have to define this material. Along with that, we have to give material properties for M40 grade concrete, that is weight per unit volume, modulus of elasticity, Poisson's ratio, coefficient of thermal expansion, concrete cube compressive strength, that is FCK. Similar for HYSD 500 bar, that is weight per unit volume, modulus of elasticity, minimum yield stress and minimum tensile stress. After substituting all the value, we have to define slab properties. Go to define, click on slab properties and give thickness as 500 mm. In our problem statement, there are only two types of column. that is 500 by 500 mm and 600 by 600 mm. Give them property as M40 for concrete and HYCD 500 for rebar. That go to define, click on soil subgrade and give subgrade modulus as 3 into 10 power 4. Check whether load pattern and load cases are appropriate or not. After that, go to load combination and we have to give 1.5 for ultimate and 1 for service load. On draw slab and we have to draw mat footing. After that, select footing, click on edit, click on edit areas and we have to expand footing by 2 meter. As we discussed earlier in the problem, for the mat footing we have to expand by 2 meter. After that, go to draw column, then set property below as none and set property above as C1, that is 500 by 500, and height below as 0, height above as 2. Click on draw, click on draw design strip, set as 4 meter width as we calculated in the problem statement. For X direction select A strip and for Y direction select B strip. Then select footing, click on assign, click on support data, click on soil property and assign the soil property. Select column, click on assign, click on load data, click on point load and give loading according to problem statement that we have got in the result. Repeat the same procedure for all the columns. After that, we have to assign rebar HYSD 500 to footing and to strip. Select footing, go to design and choose a rebar as HYSD 500. Same for strip. After that, run analysis on the model. Click on run analysis. Save the file with suitable name. Again click on run analysis and design. After that, click on display. Click on show punching shear value. As here all the values are greater than 1, means the chances of failure are more. So our aim is to minimize this value. So increase the thickness of footing to 1000 and again run analysis on the model. If it is again failing, then increase the depth to 1200. After that, all values are less than 1, means our design is safe. Here we can get also results like bending moment, shear force for the footing. Here it completes the foundation design of tall building. Thanks for watching.